In this pod, we introduce the British-Irish writer Kit de Waal. Born in the West Midlands, Kit de Waal and her siblings grew up, in her own words, as the only black children at the Irish Community Centre and the only ones with a white mother at the West Indian Social Club. Before becoming a writer, de Waal worked for many years in criminal and family law and advised government departments on the care of foster children. This in-depth working knowledge of the social care system was critical in making her debut novel, My Name is Leon, such a stunning and heartbreaking book. Unlike many writers, de Waal says she wasn't much of a reader as a child and didn't grow up in a house filled with books. In fact, she says the only reading material available was her mother's Bible and her father's News of the World. She says, I read at school, but I never ever read at home. I voluntarily read my first novel when I was 22, Riotous Assembly by Tom Sharp. After that, I spent my 20s and 30s working through the classics. De Waal didn't start writing until she was in her 40s, and though she never doubted her talent, she realized there was more to writing than just getting ideas onto the page. She worked hard at the craft, reading as many books as she could until she could find out what made them work, why a sentence could evoke such a response, why endings worked and which endings didn't.